In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix msvcr110.dll missing. So the first thing you want to try to do is open CMD and then run as administrator. Now here there's two commands you can try to place. The first one, DISM online cleanup image restore health, then press enter. The second command is sfc/scan now. Now this might take a few minutes to finish scanning and repairing the issues, but once it's done you can check if it fixes your errors. If it doesn't, then open Google Chrome, and here you want to type in the name of the missing DLL folder. So I will just place it here, and then I will tap download. Go to the first web page, and then here you want to download. So before you download anything, go to this PC, and then go to properties, and then see what type of bits you're running. If you're running like 32-bit or 64-bit, just keep that in mind. So if you're running 64-bit, then download both 32 and 64. If you're running 32-bit, then download only the 32-bit. So let's download this one. Okay, this one downloaded, and then I'll download this one. And this one downloaded. So here are the downloaded folders. I will make sure to label them so I don't mistaken one for being 32-bit. So here I labeled them correctly, and then I will extract the folders. Then I'm just gonna delete these ones. Now go to just place this here, and then go inside this PC, and then C drive. Then go inside Windows. Here you're gonna find the file that called system32. So if you're on a 64-bit computer, what you need to do is go inside here, and then just go inside 64-bit version, and then drag it and place it. Just drag it like this, and then click replace. Then go back here, and then go to syswap64. Then go to the 32-bit version, and then just drag it and place it like this, and then click replace. Now if you are on a 32-bit computer, then you just go inside of this one, and then just drag this one inside of this one, and that's it. After this, check if you're still having any errors. If you are, then go back to Chrome and type Visual C++. So here, go to this first, go to the latest version, and download the both 32 and 64. Now run the installer for both of them. So run this installer, and then run this installer. Run both installers, and once they're done installing, you should have the C++ package, and it basically includes the .dll folders. So try to see if this fixes the issue, and also don't forget to restart the computer.